time sitting down here by this lake. A lot of things went through my mind. Should I go or should I stay? And as those memories come back to me, I remember high school days when we would get a bunch of friends.
Hey, you know we always got something different. What about a 2005 Hummer SUT? This one's got the 6.0 under the hood. And of course I'll do the same thing just like all the videos, taking them down the road, pointing out the flaws so you know what you get before you get here. This one's got an aftermarket set of wheels. She's pretty in black. Pretty nice. This was a personal ride here at Maple Motors. If you're interested, check us out, maplemotors.com. I can get you financed. I can also ship this to your front door. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Oh, hey, what are you doing in here?
Oh, hey, let's go to lunch, Nick.
Okay. Looking around the interior on this one. It's actually pretty clean. Humongous sunroof. Let's stop this. That was way too loud. Okay, so this one, Jeff owned. He said that he got rid of the air ride stuff and put shocks in the back there. So that's the first thing. Definitely gonna have to get some fuel in this one. So we're going to the gas station. We'll roll up the window. It's tinted windows all the way around. She's loaded up. It's cold in here. Ice cold. Nothing. Cleaned her all out. Horn does work. Show you the mileage if I can. I just added up. Quit messing with it. 123,719 is what it's showing. All right. And it's pretty simple. I mean, you know, the wipers work on this one. They better. Turn signals. All that good stuff. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Let's see what else is going on with this. Some hot chicken, is that what you're saying? Reverse. Of course it works. Mirrors are automatically adjusted on both sides. I remember being in high school. Jeff, he's always loved these Hummers. He had one that had 12 inches of lift on 44s, and he picked me up multiple times from school. It was like everybody had questions. I loved it. He got in a magazine for it too. But he's always been the Hummer guy up here at the lot. This one, the oil pressure gauge is showing 80 pounds. Kind of feel like oil pressure gauge is just stuck at 80 pounds. Cut the air off so you can give her a listen. Give her a break. Look, dropped your phone. Give her some gas. Also had one of these a while back, and I towed a boat like 6 or 7 hours. These things pull very strong. This one seems to be checking out pretty good as far as running and driving. We're straight down the road. We're tight on our steering. We're good on our brakes. It's got plenty of power. With these newer vehicles, it's a lot easier to test drive. I guess we're going to get a little bit of fuel since they decided to bring it back to me on E. He said, I figured you'd get gas. You always get gas. Okay, let's go get some gas. Guys, I'm gonna pull in here. We'll get some fuel after this. Undercarriage shots, outside footage of this one, and stick around to the end. Check scratches, interior, picking out the flaws. Let's do it. This thing's sitting up tall here at the gas station. I'll put about $20 worth of premium fuel in it. A little crusty here. Cap there's got some issues. Those look pretty good. And checking the gauge. Of course it works. Let's keep rolling. Well, we know it runs and drives good. Let's walk around and see what else we can find. Probably some chips and scratches. Anything that's there, you'll know about it. Detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. I think the worst on this one is the hood, and since it does flip up, you can see a lot of little chips and stuff in the paint there. Just kind of looking over it. Coming on down the side here. Light scratches down there. Middle of the door's got some light scratches too. Cat back here, little chrome peeling off. Ding right there. Chips. Chip there. Scuffs up top. Speaking of up top, a little faded from the sun. Bars. Got a lot of little chips and stuff on them. See some chips. It's like a coating. I think it's like plastic dip. It's up there. Down this side. Chip there. Little chips. Light scratch here. Little chip there. Chip there. Check over everything, wheels and tires wise. Interior now. Go ahead and start it. Maybe it won't ding no more. Chips in that corner there. scuffs. She's in decent shape. The back seat over there, maybe the worst out of all of them, but we'll go look at it just because I did see some wear. Oh, got some trim falling off there. Figure out how to push that back. Oh, there it goes. Weather stripping. Sorry. I called it trim, I just realized. Coming on down with the hood. Guys, detailed pictures, financing, and shipping is available on this ride. Just go to maplemotors.com and check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.